name is Patrick. This video should tell you about the SNAP accepting B schools and the cutoffs of the different colleges. The approximately fees, the package, etc. which is there. Now, take it with a pinch of salt. Some of the packages could be a little inflated. Okay, it may not be the right number because of the way it is portrayed. I'll come back to it. Okay, if I look at SIBM Pune, normally is supposed to be the best of Symbiosis colleges. Okay, so if you look at the average package is also higher than everyone else. SCMHRD also is supposed to be very good. So these two colleges normally have a higher packages compared to others, and they're supposed to be among the top 20 colleges in India. So therefore, their cutoff is also higher and their packages are higher. So they're technically worth joining both these colleges. SIIB Pune also is an older college and a decent college to apply to. And normally rate SIIB Pune third among these Symbiosis-based colleges. Good college because it's comparatively an old college and they have a good alumni base to help them as such. SIBM Bangalore is comparatively new but fine, picked up over a period of time. So basically, these colleges, the top 4-5 colleges which are there, okay, they're decent, good colleges to apply. In terms of SIM Nasik is mainly for operations. DTM has suddenly come up recently because they have portrayed themselves as digital. Therefore, that is the advantage that is coming up. 12.78 looks a little inflated figure, a little bit. It could be a little lower than that, to be very frank. Maybe around 10 or something, but that is also a good average package for SIBM. Now, coming to SICSR. Basically, based on computers, if you're interested, it looks like good. Package is lower. Cutoff looks higher, could go lower than this. So let's wait and watch for that. Now coming to these, here the average package to some extent looks a little inflated. Let me just be very clear with that. Specifically, maybe SIBM Nagpur having a 11.5 looks a little higher. SIDF also 10.98 could be higher than what it could be as such. So just check out properly, talk to the students before you go with these packages. Okay, because it depends on how they portray it. The cutoffs mentioned out here, right? Nagpur cutoff could be higher than this, maybe this year. The cutoff could change based on how the demand and etc. for the colleges go. So Nagpur cutoff could be higher. But as far as the packages in these cases concerned, please confirm based before you take up. I've just mentioned what is given based on the records provided. But in your for own good, please confirm. Talk to the students of the college. Confirm your average package and then take admission to these colleges, right? This will give you approximate cutoffs, package fees for different colleges, so you have a fair idea as to what you are applying for and what is the package. All the best.